Welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex, and today we're diving into an essential English word that we use almost every day, activity. Activity is a noun that refers to a state of being active or something that we do, like sports, hobbies, or any task that keeps us engaged. When we talk about activity, we're often describing something we participate in or the energy and movement involved. For example, playing soccer is a great activity for staying fit, or reading is a calming activity that many people enjoy before bed. Some common synonyms for activity include exercise, task, and event. Each of these words has a unique shade of meaning, but often conveys similar ideas. For instance, you might say, going for a walk is a simple exercise to keep you moving, or organizing a picnic can be a fun event for friends and family. On the other hand, the opposite of activity could be inactivity, rest, or idleness. These words focus more on a lack of movement or energy. You could say, after a busy week, sometimes a day of rest is all we need, or periods of inactivity can lead to boredom. In daily life, activity is everywhere. When we're at school, every subject is like a new activity that keeps us learning. At work, we might have activities planned out for the day, such as meetings or projects. Even during leisure time, we can choose our favorite activities, like hiking, reading, or just relaxing with friends. Here are some more examples of how we use activity in sentences. The festival has so many fun activities for families, or studying is an important activity for students. That wraps up our look at activity. Remember, every small activity counts, whether it's a productive task or something just for fun. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support really helps others find the show. And I'd love to hear from you. Try creating your own sentence with activity and share in the comments. Thanks for listening, and see you next time.